Hello, hello, and welcome to Building the Bridge Transition to Middle School. First thing I have to say is congratulations and welcome. This class is going to be all about making sure you feel comfortable and ready for middle school, no matter if we are in person or we are virtual. So I want to introduce myself to you, as I will obviously do in my Flipgrid video that we're doing later. My name is Mrs. Beadle, or Brianna Beadle, if your parents are watching. I am an 8th grade teacher at Horning Middle School. I teach science and social studies, but I have taught every subject in terms of math, science, social studies, and literacy in 8th grade, and I've also taught 7th grade. This is my 5th year teaching middle school, and I absolutely love it. So I want to give you a little bit of information as to what we're doing, how you're going to find everything, and just welcome you into this. So first things first, this is our summer school, middle school week at a glance. So if you're not sure where to find something, this is going to be your go-to place, not just for my class and for this class, but for any of the classes that you have. Obviously, this is going to be a little bit more filled in by the time you see it, but it is here for you anyways. So we can find Building the Bridge, and when we click on week 1, we get this little form here. So each week I'm going to have ready for you a few different things. Where everything's going to be found, what the little lesson is. As you can see, I'm still not quite done with Thursday and Friday. Okay. So what are we going to learn about? And then what do you need to do? This is not going to be one of those boring classes where I just sit here and talk at you for 45 minutes. You're going to be doing things. We're going to be engaging in stuff, asking questions, talking to one another. And you're going to be doing a little bit of stuff to get you ready to feel comfortable for middle school. With that being said, a couple things to get you set up. So first and foremost, we do have a Google Classroom. Okay? Our code is right here. I have also invited everyone, so if you for some reason don't have this class, please let me know and I'll invite you. This is going to be where we're going to start collecting a lot of our work and a lot of the things that we're doing. That's going to change, and I'm going to make another video for you next week explaining what that's going to look like. I wanted to start us off with something we're comfortable with, and then we'll work towards getting to that part where we're going to be ready for middle school. The other piece is WebEx. So hopefully you were at least a little bit familiar with WebEx. Okay? It's this cute little icon down here at the bottom. And we have a transition to middle school group. Okay. So everyone in our class is in here. When you're automatically added to it, I've already added everyone. Again, if you for some reason don't have this, please let me know and I'll add you to it. But every day we are going to pose a question in here. I'll pose a question, and then you guys will get a chance to respond to the question and talk to each other. It is so important that you're getting a chance to talk to people even though we are far away from each other. By completing this question, this is actually going to be your attendance for the day. So by looking at this, I'll be able to say like, yep, you're here today, marked present, okay? So knowing that, you need to answer our community circle question on here so that you are marked present each day, okay? So that is how we are going to get connected, how we're going to start to get connected. Now let's talk about actually what we're doing today. So the location of materials today is in your email, Gmail, or Google Classroom. So this video is coming to you either via an email from me or /and in Google Classroom. I wanted to make sure that I'm sending it out to your email so you know where to get connected in case you're not already. But from this point on, it's going to be, this week, it's going to be every day in Google Classroom, and then obviously in WebEx as well. That will start to change next week, but like I said, we'll get there when we get there. Let's start easy. So what we are doing today is welcome to middle school and getting set up. That is this video right here. Check. Okay, you're watching this video. That means you're already doing the lesson. Then after we're finished with this lesson, then what? Where do we go? What do we do? So the first thing in our student learning tasks is to log into WebEx. So if you've done that, awesome, you're checked in. Number 2, well, I guess you're not checked in until you do the next one. Respond to our community question in WebEx. Again, that's your way for taking attendance. So respond to the question in WebEx. That'll mark you present as attendance for the day. The next thing is to join our Google Classroom. Okay, so I've just said these things several times, so this looks like a really big list, but if you think about it, we've already talked about it. One thing you just have to click in, one thing you have to answer a question, and then you're good. Okay. Next up is downloading the Blackboard app. Okay, we're going to get into that next week. And the Google Jamboard app from Self-Service. Okay, so Blackboard app, Google Jamboard app from Self-Service. I did include the little logos here, so in case you're not sure what they look like, they're right there for you. And then finally, you're going to introduce yourself to a Sim Flipgrid. I've already made a video over there as an example. I have some spots that you can see. I'll actually pull it up for you. You log in with Google. You're already included in this. So once you log in, dun, 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 you can see our login with Google and our introduction videos. So here are the 3 things I'm looking for. What is your name? Where are you going to school next year? And what would be the worst first day of middle school? Okay. If you're stuck on what you need to say or what you should say, especially for that last one, feel free to watch my video, already posted down here, or videos from your classmates. I am going to ask that you hold off on this bottom part until tomorrow, just so that we're all on the same page. Okay, so there's that. That is our Flipgrid. It will be posted right in here. Again, I don't want to post it because I'm recording this a little early, and I don't want you to have to worry about this over the weekend. Okay. The only thing that I don't think I've talked about yet is office hours. So I am available on WebEx 100% online from 9 a.m. to 10:20. So if for some reason you need something from me or you want to talk, I will be contributing to our community question every day. 9 to 10:20, I will be in there. That is the fastest time that you can reach me because I'm going to be sitting with my computer ready to go right off the bat. All right. I feel like that was a lot. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out. I'm very, very excited to start this with you. Have a fantastic day.